This year we went to the Chang Classic Revival at the Chang International Circuit in Buriram for the second time. This time we drove my newly restored 1970 Pontiac LeMans. I had registered for the popular vote contest. I also wanted to ride in the classic car parades.
It's so hard, I gotta pay. I can make that earth wait. It's so hard, I gotta pay. I can make that earth wait. It's so hard, I gotta pay. I can make that earth wait. It's so hard, I gotta pay. I can make that earth wait. It's so hard, I gotta pay. I can make that earth wait. It's so hard, I gotta pay.
Highway stretches dust in the air. Radio humming, but nobody's there. Got a half full cup and a heart full of load. Chasing the sunrise down an endless road. Lines on the pavement, stories untold. Foot on the gas, gotta chase that goal. Miles to go, wheels keep turning. Another town, but the fire's still burning. Ain't no map gonna show me the way. Just me and the road at the break of day. Neon signs in the rear view fade. Another lonesome truck stops serenade.
Results of the popular vote contest. The Toyota MK2, which we've never seen displayed, took first place. A well-deserved second place goes to the Christmas-themed Mini. The owner went to great lengths to decorate the car accordingly. Numbers 3 and 4 are the Chevy trucks, and number 5 is the Ferrari race car. My car didn't get many votes, but it remains my favorite. According to the organizers, no fewer than 26 American cars participated this year, many from the American Car Club Thailand. I went to take a look in the catacombs of the circuit where the participants were stationed.
What? Save money, buy a car, customize it. What? Save money, buy a car, customize it. ออกเดินทางกับรถคันเก่าเปิดปีเครื่องทงคำรามบนถนนออกบันทึกความทรงจำจุดหมายทะเลและภูเขาดื่มเบียร์เย็นๆดูพระอาทิตย์ตกดินกับรถคันเก่าเพื่อนรบที่รู้ใจพาจำสมบัติเพื่อที่ได้ไกลบันทึกถ่ายภาพความทรงจำดีๆเก็บไว้อยู่ในใจตลอดไปแสนนาน And we will be back again with American cars in the next city. YouTuber American ทำงานเก็บเงินซื้อรถแต่งรถ Work save money buy a car customize it. Work save money buy a car customize it.
Next we went to check out the air-cooled Volkswagen Beetles in the tent next to where my car was. They had heavily tuned engines and 4 carburetors.
Got my wrist blinging in a German, got my gold chain swinging in a German. Real G's I'm bringing in a German, got some bad beats singing in a German, in a German, in a German, in a German whip in a foreign car, in a German, in a German, in a German whip in a foreign car. Got my wrist blinging in a German, got my gold chain swinging in a German. Real G's what I'm bringing in a German. Got some bad beats singing in a German, in a German, in a German, in a German whip in a foreign car, in a German, in a German, in a German whip in a foreign car. They think they making peas, we be making ours. They be taking the bus, we're in the foreign cars. Come and take some change, top up your Oyster card. We be living large because the world is ours. Because the world is ours. Look at my wrist, I said I want for all these battle scars. Look at my roof, I took that off, I wanna see the stars. V12 engine in the DM, so I'm coming fast. Got my wrist blinging in a German, got my gold chain swinging in a German. Real G's are bringing in a German. Got some bad beats singing in a German, in a German, in a German, in a German whip in a foreign car, in a German, in a German, in a German whip in a foreign car. Got my wrist blinging in a German, got my gold chain swinging in a German.
Then there are the classic car parades twice a day. All cars, both participants and non-participants, can participate in this parade for free. This is the afternoon parade on Saturday.